Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you've joined me today. It might be cold outside, but I'm sending you the warmth of a hug from my home to yours. I have some delicious mini corn muffins to share with you today. Our ingredients today are quite simple. 1 cup of fine cornmeal, half a cup of ground oats, which can be done quite simply in your blender, 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 1 cup of milk. We're going to place all of our dry ingredients into a bowl and whisk those together, and then quite simply we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir together really well. I'm going to equally divide the mixture, and into the first set of mixture I'm going to add some grated vegan cheese and scotch bonnet pepper, just using half of the scotch bonnet pepper, and then to the other half of the mixture I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. The mini muffin tray was placed into the oven to warm up, and then once it was taken out it was lightly brushed with a little bit of oil. Using a teaspoon, place the mixture into the muffin tray. Place the muffins in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4 for between 15 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown on top and golden at the bottom. And here we have our mini corn muffins. Place the muffins on a wire rack to cool. Et voila! Here we have our light and fluffy and very tasty mini corn muffins. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up on YouTube, and remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe.